when we click the URL. And this is our carousel. Save time, fewer errors, scale easily, connect your tools. That's it. You can upload it straight to LinkedIn from your phone when you download it, and you have your post captions. In this video, I will show you 6 of my favorite use cases that I am actually using in my client workflows. Once you see them, you will get the ideas how to use them in your projects instantly. Here are the 6 code node cases that we're gonna cover in this video. Let's start with the first one. Clean data, convert files, scrape URLs and data from web page, select certain items from a list and aggregate them, parse JSON from an AI agent, and we're gonna fetch information from the web page with Python. Let me walk you through and demonstrate all of the cases first, and after that I'm gonna walk you through how to build one so you can know how to use it in your workflows. Let's start with clean data. This webhook is getting the information from a form, but the form has drop-down menus, and in these drop-down menus, when we fill them in the webhook, they are written as these values, like quotes. And this is the chosen value, that is value 0, and these are the options, all of the other options in the drop-down. So we have to take this code and compare it to the other ones to see this code is equal with which country's ID in order to get the exact country. And after that we have the options for this field as well. What time do you have to see the message? This is the chosen one, and these are the options all of the times. And then it clean data, using JavaScript, we are cleaning the data and getting from these drop-down menus this incoming data and selecting the right ones. As you can see, the country, hour, gender, and style. These are all drop-down menus from the previous node. The second case is convert files. We're gonna get the image downloaded here. We're gonna post it to OpenAI for edit. And as a result of this edit, we're gonna receive this B64 JSON. And with the code node, we're gonna make it an image file that we can see. We're gonna convert this B64 JSON to an image. Also, what you can do is generate 8 images, and using the code node with Python, I'm gonna show you how to do that. You can convert them to PDF, and it's gonna be straight away ready to upload carousel for LinkedIn. As you can see, when we execute the node, we have our PDF document here, and we have our PDF already created with the image. Case number 3, scrape URLs and data from web page. Here we are using the code node from this HTML from Google Maps to scrape and get all of the URLs from there. And we are making a request to the web page to get scrape emails from the page, to clear again this HTML and get all of the emails from it. And all of the URLs that are with extension @ and something, we're gonna get them here. As you can see, this is the email of this dental clinic. We are splitting it out and filtering them in order to keep the relevant emails. And the fourth case scenario is select certain items from a list and aggregate them. What I mean by that, we are getting the RSS feed of my YouTube channel. We are filtering the newest videos. We are getting both of the videos that I have uploaded this week. And with this code node, we can choose from this schema exactly which parameters you want to get outputted. And you can choose title, description, and let's say thumbnail link, and it's gonna take all of them from all of the items here. If there are 100 there, all of them are gonna be taken and outputted as a one item. And this is gonna be the item videos, and for each video, exactly the parameters that we have chosen, they're gonna be outputted here without using aggregate or split out nodes, with just one code node. And fifth use case is parse JSON. A lot of times we can use our AI agent to output a JSON format. When this is used, let's say we have case that we have to use every time different items and different parameters, they have to be outputted. For example, in this case, our post title, post text. On the next case, they can be 5 items, they can be 6. Then we can't use output parser, because output parser is trying to output exactly how we put it in the parser. So then we are using the code node, and we are telling our agent to output a JSON format, and this is written in JSON format, and we are just parsing the JSON here. And as you can see here in the post title is the item. Here we can see it, and post text, and the values inside them. And the sixth case is fetch information from websites using Python because this is way more efficient than JavaScript. And in this code node, we are making a request to future tools.io, which is this website. There are a lot of AI tools here. And with this code node, we are getting all of the data outputted here, the title, links, all of the links in the website that are written there, all of the images from the website, and names and page text. Everything is outputted here by this Python. I haven't seen most of the automators in YouTube to use Python here, but it is really effective. These are the 5 use cases that I am using code node in my automations. And now let's build one together. And I'm going to show you how I'm using ChatGPT to generate the code, how I'm prompting it. And after that, we're going to try to create a LinkedIn carousel with 5 images, for example. Now we're going to build a Telegram agent that is going to be able to create carousels and to send them to us. Let's start building it. I'm going to include the template down in the description. You can download, and when you input it, now I'm going to take you step by step how to set workflow. Now, starting with the Telegram trigger, we're going to come to right here, write Telegram, and go down on triggers, on message sent. So when you got the Telegram trigger, you just go in, create new credential. For the access token, you go to Telegram, and on the search, find bot father. You have to follow the commands and create a Telegram bot. Then you're going to see this type of window that is going to give you the access token for your bot. You are putting the access token here, click save, rename the bot, and that's it. You're ready to go. Here, leave message. And then in order to try your bot, go to Telegram, choose the bot, go to Telegram, choose the bot you have created, then come to Telegram trigger, click the execute, go Telegram, and just write hello, and we're gonna receive the message. And now in the message, you have to come here and get this ID. This chat ID is going to be important later on to send us back the message we have received. Pin this. We're going to have an AI agent. Come to the plus AI agent. And here we're going to use chat model GPT-5 mini. And in the agent, we're going to have for prompt define below. And we're going to put the text, drag and drop the text from here. So we're going to be able to chat with the agent from Telegram. And in the system message, I'm going to put the system message as well with the files that you can go in my free school community and download from there. Also, you can check my free school community. It's Muro AI Automations Hub. You can join for free with the link down in the description. When you come to the video that is uploaded, you're going to see the title of the video. And next to the video, you're going to see the files that you can download for free. And there are a lot more tools in our community. I have just uploaded the automation tools. Here are a lot of automation image generation models that you can try them and connect them with your automation. In short, what we are saying in this system message, you are a professional LinkedIn carousel creator. This is for me. Your expertise is in image generation prompt writing. And here I'm giving the error that I've been receiving from GPT-1. And rules how to write them, and output format. And this output format, you have to click require specific output, come to the output parser, and here on the output parser, paste this in the output parser so it can return the JSON with every slide prompt. Then we are splitting out. Let's request now to create a carousel post. We are saying create me a carousel post for using the code node in n8n. Let's turn on our Telegram, take the pin, turn on our Telegram trigger, send the message. We've got our message, pin it, and now run the agent. Our agent is gonna create the post text and all 5 slides prompts. Okay, we have our output, and this is the output from our agent, our post caption, and slides, slide prompts. And then you have to come to the plus icon, right here, split out. And with the split out, what we're gonna do, because AI agent give us output as a one item, with the split out node, we're gonna split all of the slide prompts as separate items in order to feed them separately to our image generation model. And now here, we just come here, take the slides and put the split them out. And now when we click when we run the split node, we can see that in the schema, in the table, we have 5 items with each of the prompts. And here we're gonna filter. We will say if the output slides is not empty. So sometimes the agent can make mistakes and we don't want to feed our image generation model an empty prompt. We have our 5 items, and then what we are doing, we have to loop them over the Together AIs. I'm gonna use Flux Schnell free just for the sake of this video. Usually you can use GPT-1 or any other models like Flux Context or others. I just want to generate these images fast and for free. That's why I'm using this one. It is not good on text generation, but just for the example, it's all right. Okay, for looping the items, we come here to the plus, get the loop over items, and when we put it, we put batch size 1. We feed the prompt. On the loop side, we are connecting HTTP request you're getting here, and here we are generating it with Together AI. I've shown how to use importing curl request in my previous video, so you can check from there. We're gonna use Together AI. We're gonna wait for 11 seconds because we're gonna hit API rate limits. Then we are feeding 5 items into the loop, generating 5 images, giving the URLs of the 5 images here. We are downloading them, and here with extract from file, from this image file, we are making them to base64 string in order to be able to make them as a PDF with code node. Then in the code node with Python, we're gonna make them a PDF file. We're gonna upload it to our Google Drive, and we're gonna send the document to ourselves with using Telegram note. Let's run it once up to here, and when we upload our file, we're gonna put the Telegram note as well. And I'm gonna show you how to generate this code. Let's run the loop items. As you can see here, we're gonna have the prompt. I'm gonna run the full workflow up to upload files, and then we're gonna map them to send to us in Telegram, and I'm gonna show you how to generate the code. We have our carousel ready. What we are doing now, we are coming here to HTTP request, and we are using get request again, putting it here. And from the loop node, we are getting this URL because Together AI is outputting us the URL of the image to download it. And just come to this URL and drag and drop it to URL field. Then this will download all of the images. We're gonna have 5 items. Then you have to come here, write convert from file. We are clicking here and we have to make these files to B64 string. Move file to B64 string, and when we put it, we have to map the name of the items. All of the items are with name data. So here in input binary field, if your item is with other name, this red one, you have to put this. And here we have input binary field data and destination output field data, file encoding base 64. Here on the options, you have to put them. And it is outputting us these B64 data. Then we are coming to the code node, and on the code node you can see JavaScript and Python. You are coming here, getting the code node, and here you choose Python, and then you go to ChatGPT, and when you come to ChatGPT, write me a Python code for n8n code node that will take all the data items from the previous node, because we have data binary field, so data items, and this is outputting data. When we come to the code node, this is going to be data, and we say which are B64 strings because this is B64 string, and convert them into one PDF file. They are images. I want to convert them into a PDF with all of them on separate pages, and then you can make a screenshot of this, paste it. Also come to JSON and copy the first 5-6 lines. Just copy them and paste them here. You say this is the JSON input and paste it here. And that's it. Let's run the code to see what is gonna be the output. Okay, here you can see, here is a drop-in script for n8n Python code node. Reads every items in data field. converts them into images, merges them into single multi-page PDF, and returns the PDF as a binary output merged PDF. Add pillow to the notes package requirements before running. So let's see if it's gonna work. Come here and paste the code, and let's see if it's gonna work. Now first, before running it, let me show you this code. This working one is gonna be included in the template, and here you can see after the code note we have a download file, and this is the carousel that we got. The texts are not good because it's functional, so with GPT-1 it's gonna be really good carousel. And we have it uploaded to our Google Drive. Let's run the pasted code to see how it's gonna work. We have our merged PDF. Let's download it, and this is the merged PDF straight away working, and all of the files are here on the PDF. So our code is working perfectly. Now it is outputting 2 items because I have pinned everything in order to not run again Together AI. But as you can see, the code is working as it should. After that, upload file. You come to Google Drive, upload a file, just connect it. And here you can see the item is data. Here input data field is data. You can change the file name if you want. You choose your credentials from here, as I have shown in my API credentials video. From the list you choose your folder, execute step, and you have the file uploaded to Drive. And after that, with the Telegram note, you send a message, send a text message. Here you have to choose your bot that you have created here, connect the node, send a Telegram message. Here you have to use the chat ID that you have in the Telegram trigger node. Come to Telegram trigger, and here you can see the ID of the chat. Just copy this, come and paste it here. And for text, you have to map. You can write post captions, just make it expression. Post captions, you have to go to the AI agent, drag and drop the post captions. Okay, we can see them. And here, just turn off this append n8n attribution, and parse mode, make it HTML. And then go here, down, write the carousel URL. And here you have to drop the URL link, and let's run the upload file. And here we have to map the file link, web content link. Just drag and drop it here. You can drop it downside. So in Telegram, we are using parse mode HTML in order to be able to send URLs. And now let's send this, but we are not going to be able to send because everything is pinned. So now our workflow is fully ready. I'm going to unpin everything and generate a new carousel to see if everything is working. Okay, I have unpinned everything. I'm going to clear the execution. Save it. In order to use the bot, you have to activate it. But for now, I'm going to execute the workflow and just write one prompt for a carousel because I want to see how the workflow is working, and I want to see if there are any errors here on some of the nodes. You're going to click execute workflow and go to Telegram and write and request another carousel. I am saying make a carousel post presenting the benefits of using n8n automations over manual work, and let's start it. And as you can see, the agent has started. It's going to create the post captions and carousel prompts, split them out, filter them, loop over Together AI. It's going to create the images, get all the images, download them, make them B64 string. With the code node, it's going to collect them and make them a PDF, upload it to our Google Drive, and send it via Telegram to our bot. Let's wait and see what will be the result. We got an error. Let's see what is the error. Paired item data for item from code node 1 is unavailable. Ensure code 1 providing the required output. Okay, because our code node is getting all the items and making them to 1, this don't know if there are any other items from the agent incoming. This is why we have to use here, instead of item, just write here first, and this is gonna make it work. And now let's pin everything here in order to not run it again. Just pin, and let's test it. And we have our result. Post captions. I don't know why it sent it 2 times, but anyway. Manual processes waste time and risk mistakes. n8n automation let team move faster, reduce errors, and scale without hiring. Swipe through 5 simple benefits and see what automation actually saves you. Want templates or a quick setup? DM Muro AI Automations. So, because it is for me. And when we click the drive, when we click the URL, and this is our carousel. Save time, fewer errors, scale easily, connect your tools. That's it. You can upload it straight to LinkedIn from your phone when you download it, and you have your post captions. But one more thing, remember, if this uploaded file is not shared, and if you are not logged in your Google account, it's gonna give you an error. So after uploading the file, what you can do here is come to Google Drive again and make share file. And here you can use the by ID, and here from upload ID, just bring the ID of the file here and make the role reader, and here anyone, and here role reader, type anyone and share the file. Then here map the content link, and here you drop the web content link from upload file, and here let's try with last instead of first, so maybe it's gonna send only one items. Let's see, let's execute the workflow and share the file and send the text message. Okay, we have our text message here. Manual process waste time, DM Muro Automations, and let's click this drive, and I am logged in with another Google account, so it has to let me to download this file. And yeah, I have been able to download the file, and as you can see, the slides are done. This is it for this video. If you want to get this template and straight away import it to your n8n, please join my free school community from the link down below. And when you come, and you can go to Classroom and YouTube Video Vault, and you can see all of my videos uploaded here. And here in the community tab, you can see I am uploading the videos, and when you come to the tab, you can see the files that you can download straight away, and you can watch the video here. I have uploaded all of my videos in the community. Also here you can find automation resources and tools, all of the workflow automation platforms that I know, generative LLM tools, image generation models, video generation models, design and note-taking and productivity. This week I am finishing with the beginner series. We're gonna start building workflows, AI agents and systems that I am using for myself and for my clients. Till now I was covering all of the main notes and fundamentals, how to install n8n, update n8n, backup your workflows, how to get your API credentials. After that I have started with the videos using each node to build some certain workflows that are real life use cases, and I have been showing what is the reason of this node in these workflows. And now when I finish with the all fundamental nodes, I'm gonna start another community, which is gonna be for the people that want to land their first AI automation client like I did. I am making 2 courses there, which is gonna be from 0 to first workflow, and from first workflow to first client. Which first course is gonna be more focused on the automations and technical side, building the workflows and have the main stack that you have to know, the technical skills. And the second one is gonna be more of the sales side and how to price your automations, how to sell them, how to find your clients, how to make your offer to them, how to have social media presence. And my goal is gonna be to help 1,000 people to land their first clients in the next 1 year. This is what I am telling you now. Let's start, build automations, learn and achieve it. If you want to be part of this journey, you can join the free school community. There I am sharing my videos and all of the resources to be in one place. All of the announcements and projects that I am thinking and I'm gonna make in the future, they are going to be announced there. This is it for today's video. If you find it helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Thank you.